Make your very own fresh and savory grilled chicken Caesar salad with tomatoes. Boil eggs for 7 minutes. Run under cold water and peel. Meanwhile, blend garlic and olive oil and set aside. Cut a loaf of bread into slices. And brush with 1/3 of the garlic oil. Using a well-heated grill pan, grill the slices for 4 minutes. Turning once. Snip the tomatoes on the vine into small clusters. Don't remove them from the vine, and grill for 3 minutes, or until the skins brown and blister. Cut the romaine hearts through the middle into quarters, and brush with half of the remaining garlic oil. Grill for 3 minutes. Turning once. Brush the chicken with remaining oil. Season with pepper and salt to taste. And grill for 4 minutes. Turning once to ensure the meat is cooked through. Arrange the bread, romaine hearts, chicken, and tomatoes on 4 plates. Halve the eggs and place on the salad. Shave the Parmesan and serve with the dressing. And that's all it takes to make a savory and delicious grilled chicken Caesar salad with tomatoes.